What's up, everybody? Welcome to TNT Beauty. Today I'm going to be doing a product review, and I'm so super excited to review this product. I heard about this on a podcast some months ago, and I've been wanting to try it ever since. And I finally purchased the product today, and I have such high hopes for it. So the product is the L'Oreal Elvive 8-Second Wonder Water. Okay. So let's talk about claims. So this is supposed to instantly detangle. It's supposed to make your hair look shinier and healthier, silkier at touch, and it's supposed to make it smoother and more manageable. Okay, so when I did my research, I looked at Walmart.com and Target.com, and it had about 4.6 stars on both sites, which, you know, I think that's really good. So I have shampooed my hair, and I used, I don't know what I did with it, but the Palmer's Cocoa Butter and Biotin Length Retention. I usually just shampoo my roots, but for this purpose, I wanted to follow the directions. So I shampooed the length of my hair, and yeah, I'm going to go, I mean, I haven't detangled or anything. Okay, so let's, gosh, I really don't want to make a mess. Okay, so you're supposed to use 2 to 3 times a week on wet hair after shampooing. So one dose is 20 milliliters. So the bottle is marked off into milliliters. Okay, so you're supposed to use 2 to 3 doses for thick to curly hair textures. And that's definitely your girl. So, okay, so 20 milliliters. Okay, so I guess the easiest thing to do, since I'm going to do 2 doses, so I'm going to do 1 dose for each side of my hair. These tangles are killing me. Okay. Oh, gosh. I don't want to make a mess, okay? Gosh, I forgot to measure. Okay. Ooh, I do. Okay, this probably would be easier in the shower. Not gonna lie. Okay. Okay, so it does smell nice. And I'm just kind of smoothing it in. I don't really feel it getting warm. Well, I mean, it's like a little bit warm, but I wouldn't even notice if I didn't know it was supposed to get warm. Okay, so I guess the first side is done. Oh, now wait a minute. It could just be my imagination, but I do feel like my hair is starting to do something. Like I felt it a second ago, and it was feeling like it normally feels, and okay. Yeah, I feel a difference. Seems promising. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side now. Ah. Okay, now I feel it warming up on this side. What did I do wrong the first time? You're probably not supposed to get this on your scalp, but I don't know how not to. Hopefully it's fine. I mean, this is kind of cool. When I looked at other videos, the girls were like, yeah, I can kind of feel it working as I'm using it on my hair, and I see what they mean. Like, I don't know, like it definitely does warm up. And it's like your hair is getting softer you know, by the second. I like that. I feel good about this so far. So let's see how much I've used. I really haven't even used a full dose yet. Wow. This is so weird. I was thinking I'd have to use like half of the bottle, but as you can see, that is not the case, which is good. I forgot to mention this product is like $8 or $9, which is not bad if she's gonna do what she says. Ooh, I like the feeling of this so far. I'm so excited. So I'm going to hop in the shower, and it says you can skip conditioner, but black girls don't do that. So I'm gonna condition. I'll probably use the Aunt Jackie's Coconut Cream Cocoa Repair Conditioner, and I'll be back. I'm back. Some hours have passed, and my hair is like 80% dry. So my final thoughts, my hair is super soft, and I love that. I followed up with my Dove Amplified Textures leave-in, and then just a little bit of coconut oil on top. I did not do the complete LOC method, the lock method, because I really wanted to see what this product could do on its own. I can't even remember the name of the product. But you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so I love that it's soft, but as you can see, I do have some frizz for whatever reason. I can never achieve softness and no frizz. Like, you know, it's either going to be sleek and kind of hard and crunchy, or it's going to be soft. And so I'm going in now with the Dove Amplified Textures Shaping Buttercream just to smooth out some of this frizz, but I do appreciate the softness. Like, I hear all these naturals all the time saying that you're not supposed to touch your hair. Well, I love to touch my hair when it's soft. I mean, I'm gentle, but you know. So my final thoughts, if I would have to rate this product, I would give it, I would say a 4.3 out of 5 stars, because it is kind of cool. It's a fun product to use. I like the warming sensation. It made my hair soft and smooth while it was wet, and I like that, but I just wish that, you know, I didn't have so much frizz. Now, in all honesty, I probably could have done more with my regular regimen to make my hair not be so frizzy like I'm kind of doing right now. But like I said, I really wanted a straight up honest opinion of what the product can do by itself without, you know, too much other stuff. So I will continue to use this, and I hope that over time the results get better and better. But yeah, this was a fun purchase for me. It's, you know, I hear people refer to it as a deep conditioner. I don't know what you would really call it, but I guess to me it's like a treatment, and it's fun and unique, and I've never tried anything like it before. So yeah, for $8 or $9, it's definitely worth it to try it, especially if you love soft, touchable tresses. Alright guys, that is it for now. I will see you again in the next video. As always, thank you so much for watching. Bye!